Okay, today on Okie Mountain Outdoors, we're going to be doing some maintenance on the Countryline log splitter. I've changed the oil in the motor before, basically about once a year, but I've never changed the hydraulic fluid or the filter. I hope it comes off, but I went by Tractor Supply and got me a new filter for it and some hydraulic fluid. Like I say, I've had this thing for, I think I've had it since 2013. So it's been like 10 years and I hadn't ever changed the hydraulic fluid. So I know it's past due time to do it. I was noticing on mine, it has no drain plug. So it doesn't have no drain plug under there. So we could take this hose loose and drain it. But I do have a suction pump in there. I may use that to suction it out. So I'm just hoping this filter will come off. You can tell it's pretty crusty around there. But let's get started here. Do a little maintenance to it, and then we need to bust some wood. Oh yeah, it's not come loose. All right, I was worried about that. The fluid looks pretty good. It's been in there for 10 years. Make sure my gasket came off. It did. I am going to actually fill this filter. I know some people say not to, some people say do it. I'm gonna put some in it. That should be good. Ah! Ah! That was tight. See, that has a dipstick on it too. All right, while that's pumping out, we'll go ahead and change it. Drain the oil, change it. That's a 10 millimeter. There's not much oil in one of these. We got it done. Of course, I made a mess like usual. Let's clean that up. But we're gonna get over here now and start busting on some of this wood before we go. Seems to be working pretty good. It was kind of getting sluggish, and when you go into a stick of wood, it kind of act like it was struggling a little bit. It's performing pretty good right now. Okay, I got a good bit busted. I got a whole trailer load full, busted and stacked, and then I got this busted. So probably another day or so. It's about time for me to get ready to go deer hunting. So I'm gonna go in there and do that and save this for rest of this for another day. I really need to get this out of the way before we can go cut anymore. So probably the next video will be another busting video, which, you know, I don't like busting that much, but it is what it is.